Hello teacher, my name is Roman Galek. I'm your student on course 23613. Here is my problem for survey. So let me read first. Survey. An art supply store conducted a survey of 215 customers as to the primary writing instrument. The results are as follows. Here, if I have all numbers which I have to plug in to my Venn diagram. So 17 of the customers prefer to use 3 writing instruments. I'm starting from the bottom. So that's those 17 customers, they prefer all 3 of them, blue, black, and pencils. And they are right here. Next is 30 of the customers prefer to use black pen and the pencil. 30 of the customers that are right here, they prefer to use black pens and pencil. They are right here. 35 of the customers prefer to use blue pen and pencil. 35 of the customers, they prefer to use both blue pen and pencil. 36 of the customers prefer to use blue pen and a black pen. 36 customers that are here, they prefer to use blue pens and the black pens, both of them. Next, 84 of the customers prefer to use pencils, the circle of them. 96 of the customers prefer to use a black pen circle, and 106 of the customers prefer to use a blue pen. They're here. And now let's move to the questions. How many people prefer to use just a pencil? My answer is 2. Two people that are here on the bottom of the pencil circle. 2 of them, they're using only pencils. How many people prefer to use blue pen or a pencil but not a black pen? My answer is 55. Those people here, 18 of them, 35 of them, and 2 of them, I add them, and they're using blue pen or pencil and pencil. There are none of them are from black pen. I'm sorry. How many people prefer to use blue pen and pencil but not a black pen? Blue pen and pencil people that are here is 35 of them only. 35 of them. They prefer to use blue pen and pencil together. Next, how many people prefer to use different writing instruments than the choice given? My answer is 64. I add all the users from the blue, black, and pencil, and I divided this from the total of 215, and I got answer 64. How many people prefer to use at least 2 of the different writing instruments? My answer is 118. How many people prefer at least 2 of the different writing instruments? So I add 36, 17, 30, and 35. Those 3, 35, 36, and 30, they're using 2 kind of instruments, and 17 using 3 of them. So I add those 4 numbers, and I got 118. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you, teacher.